Hi, this is Dr. Kondrot, and I'm at the Hawaiian Eye meeting, and I'm gathering a lot of great information at this meeting that I'm going to present at the annual Vision event. The Vision event is February 15th and 16th, and I hope that all of you will attend. It's going to be a live stream event, 2 days of an update, not only on traditional ophthalmology, but also alternative treatments that can help you restore lost vision. It's a great event. And for those of you that are a patient of mine, there's absolutely no charge. For those of you that are not a patient, there's just a nominal fee of $95, and 100% of that will go towards our mission work. We have the Restore Vision Foundation, which is a 501c3, so 100% of that money will be donated to the Restore Vision Foundation. So for more information on this great event, go to Vision Event 2020. Click the link below. Also, if you're unable to attend those 2 days, everything will be recorded and be available for you to watch at your leisure. So please join me for the Great Vision event. Help your own eyesight and help many people out there who are losing their vision due to blindness. Thank you very much, and I'll see you February 15th and 16th.